What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I got an update for you on the Indiana State Police. 80 now Durangos out of commission. Not 40, 80. 80 and counting. Let's discuss. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And guys, in today's video, I'm giving you guys a quick update. We talked about the Indiana State Police issue with over 40 Durangos. This happened because, a lot of people were like, well, let's give the first updates. People were asking, well, you didn't say if it was a Hemi or da-da-da-da. If you looked at the actual news articles, it literally said 5.7 Hemi. I don't believe they've put Hurricane engines in the Durangos yet, and the police packages, for the most part, come with V8 5.7 Hemis. If you're a Mopar guy, you should know that. Second, this is a common issue. Evidently, this has happened before, and I am shocked that Indiana State Police did what they did, because I got a statement, and they said, yeah, they bought these, and they bought them with no warranty. They get them at a much cheaper rate by not having any warranty on them. And I feel like Stellantis, i.e. Dodge, just builds these like shit because they don't care. They're not on the hook for anything that's happened with these 5.7 Hemis. Now, are the Indiana State Police going to replace all these engines? Probably not. They're probably going to flush the oil out, maybe use an oil cleaner or sea foam or something along those lines. Clean out the cooling systems, replace the oil cooler, which is a known failure. And then once that is done, once that is completed, they will most likely just fill them back up with oil and put them back out to service. Now, could some of these engines be scoured or have damage from driving with coolant in the oil? Of course they could. Do I think Indiana State Police cares? Probably not. They probably just want to get their vehicles back in service, being that they're down 20%, or actually 32%, being that it's 80 of their patrol vehicles. I'm sure they want to get those back out on the road. So they're going to try to clean these up and get them out quickly. Now, some of them will require engine replacement. That was the statement that I got from them via the email. They will require an engine replacement, and they are actively working to get that replacement done. So, what do you guys think about, and I'm on my way out here to get some dinner, man. What do you guys think about this issue with these Dodge Durangos and the oil cooler? And again, where this is a known issue and there's technical service bulletins on this, like, should Stellantis step up and do the right thing so that the taxpayers in Indiana aren't stuck with this bill? Personally, I think with all of the bad stuff that's been going on with Carlos Tavares as CEO and destroying these American brands, I think Stellantis could get a lot of goodwill by just agreeing to take care of these vehicles, because they all shipped with defective oil coolers. I think if the state attorney general in Indiana really wanted to push the issue, they'd have to cover it anyway, regardless if there's a warranty. But I'd love to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Do you think the taxpayers should be on the hook for this? And is this going to be a lesson for other law enforcement agencies not to buy Dodge? Because I know we had the Durango for 24 and for 25, and then that's it, right? No more Durango. So what are they gonna, what are they gonna buy? Wagoneer S's and turn them into police vehicles? No, they're gonna go to all Ford Explorers or Tahoes. It's gonna have to happen. I don't know what else they're gonna go into, but Tesla maybe. Oh man, such a sad state of affairs. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.